राज्यात टॅक्सीक म्हयन्या भितर मिटर बसयतले तशेंच मिटरा बरोबर टॅक्सीक GPS सिस्टम बसोवपाचे म्हत्वाचे आसा अशें आपले वैयक्तीक मत आसा म्हण PWD मंत्री सुनील ढवळीकार उलयला। आर्डिक स्कोआ खातीर परवरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस।
As per the High Court directives, we are assuring that we will implement the fixing of meters as early as possible. We required some time to make this arrangement, and definitely next 1 month we will make full arrangements and we will start fixing the meters. The implementation of these meters we required some time, that is 1 month, and we will do everything online within 1 month. I personally feel along with the meter, GPS system is also important, which will help the people and transportation, especially public transport as well as private transport. And whenever they make an accident, they will be safe because all other agencies will be alert by looking at GPS system. This is very important as far as accidents are concerned, and that is the reason I personally feel that GPS system may be undertaken in next 2 months.
There has been an issue about who will be providing this, from where it would be hired, what could be the standard of this GPS system?
These are ISI specification, and as per the ISI specification, we will implement this. There are regulatory bodies who will inspect this and get approved, and then only meter will be fixed on all taxes.